Detailing website for beginners. Hi, my name is Adela Pasos, and I'm your course instructor for today. I'm a business coach and consultant, author of 5 best-selling business books. I've helped over 700 people start their own business, and today I have over 10,000 online students. You probably recognize my face from my show called What's Your Game Plan? Today we have almost 18,000 subscribers on the channel. And I've been featured on some of your favorite websites for teaching business and entrepreneurship. Now, let's get into the important stuff. There's several ways to create a website. The way that I'm going to show you today is the fastest and most cost-effective way, so make sure you're following each and every single step. And please leave me a comment and feedback at the end of the course. Step 1. Get a website domain name and WordPress hosting plan. So you'll want to go to Bluehost's website and buy a WordPress hosting plan, which costs about $120. So once you land on their homepage, they're going to show you all of their different package pricing for the websites. You can compare all of the different plans and see what they all have to offer. They have plans for blogs and personal websites, business websites, and if you needed to start an online store. For me, I will just click the plan for $2.95. The next page that it's going to take you to is where you decide on what your website name is going to be. Type in what you'd like to have and see if it's available. If the domain name is available, go ahead and fill out all the required information to set up your account, and then scroll down to take a look at the package information. You're going to get the best deal by doing at least a 12 months package or more. There's also package extras that allow your domain name to have privacy and be protected. There's also information about securing your website from malware and hackers. And then you can also opt in for getting an email address that matches your domain name. So I'm going to go ahead and select my options, and it will calculate a total. And then after that, just put in your payment information and buy your WordPress hosting. Step 2, shop for a WordPress website template. So we're going to visit the website called envato.com and type in car detailing WordPress in the search bar. What you're going to see is a long list of car detailing website templates that are made just for WordPress. They come in various prices. Find one that you like. Once you click on that, you'll get to a page where you can view a live preview of what the demo of the website looks like. Once you click the live preview button, it's going to show you exactly what this template is going to look like. So what you see is what you get. Now, keep in mind, you can customize the pictures, the text, and even the colors if you pay the website designer to do that for you. Step 3, download template and upload to Drive. So once you purchase your template from Envato, it'll send you to a download portal. And what you're going to want to do is just hit download all files and documentation. And what that's going to do is download a zip file that now has your WordPress template inside of it. Go ahead and create a new folder on your Google Drive, and you can name it whatever you'd like. I'm just naming mine WordPress template. Once that's all ready, go ahead and upload that zip file to that new folder. Okay, so once that file has completely uploaded, right-click on the file name to update the access. You're going to want to change the general access from restricted to anyone with a link. After you click anyone with a link, go ahead and copy that link by clicking the button on the left and then hit submit. Now you're going to prepare to send that link to a web designer. Step 4, find a website designer and get pricing. So now we're going to head over to the website called Fiverr and type in WordPress demo in the search bar. And what it will reveal are tons of people who are willing to help you get this website set up from $10 to about $120. All the services that they offer are going to range. You're going to need to do your research and see who exactly can help you set the demo up and customize it if you need it. If you're a WordPress expert like me, I don't actually need anyone to help me customize the WordPress website, but they can do it for you for an additional fee. Most WordPress website demos could be installed within a couple hours. So that means that you could have a fully functional website ready in less than a day. If you like what this seller has to offer, you can go ahead and purchase one of their basic standard, or premium plans. Or if you feel like you need something special, you can actually go ahead and click the button over to the right hand side that says Contact Seller, and then you can click Get a Quote. This is going to prompt a little form where you can fill out information about who you bought your website hosting with, which template did you get, which demo do you like, which one do you want installed, and if you need it customized. And then you can also tell them how quickly you'd like it delivered. Step 5, prepare website content. Before they actually create your website, you're going to need to put in some work. You'll need to create all of the content for these pages on your website. For example, this is your new website. You're going to need all of the text, the pictures, the videos, the information, the social media links, all of that information to fill out and populate your new website. The best thing to do is to prepare all of this and put it into a Word document, label which part of the website it belongs to, and then you're going to give that information to the website designer so they can complete the customization process. Step 6, order the website. So now you have all of your content done and you've chosen a designer to work with. They send you a little bill for what you place an order for. Once you pay for it, you're able to communicate with them about the details of the website. You can send logos back and forth. You can message with them until they actually complete and deliver your new website. Test the website and change your passwords. So once they hand over the website to you, the WordPress administrative backend looks like this. What you're going to do is log into your new website backend. On the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to click Users, and what you'll see is that they've set up a user account so that they can log in and out of your website to make changes. So here you can do two things. You can log them out and you can just change the password for the admin, or you can just add a new user and create your own name and make yourself an admin on your account. Congratulations, you now have a new website. Thank you so much for watching. And if this course was helpful to you, please make sure you like it, share it, and tag your friends. And until